Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to cancel your Canva Pro subscription. Ooh, Canva likes your money. So they're gonna be very sad to see you go. Like to say you literally cancel your subscription. They want your money. And of course, not just your money, because subscriptions be cheap and you get a lot of value for your money. So let's say you're done using everything that you want to do within your subscription and you just want to cancel it. Here's how you can cancel it. Okay, so first off, how do you even subscribe in the first place? Head over to Try Canva Pro and then follow through the process. So click on that and follow through the process self-explanatory. You'll be able to subscribe from here, the Canva Pro option. All right, so just start my free trial if you want to, and then move on. You can see that's really pretty cheap packages. So now if you want to find your subscription so that you can cancel, which is the core of this tutorial, head over to the top right corner of your screen where you have your profile icon. So click on profile icon. Here you have an extended menu here that says settings, get help, suggest improvement, and all of this. Head over to settings, open that up, and it's going to take you to the settings window. So you have your account settings window. So scroll all the way down to billings and plans. So once you click on billings and plans, you're going to see here, now you're going to see subscription for your team, personal. All right, it's personal, and I'm using Canva free forever. So sad. All right, so you can head over to Try Canva Pro. Like I said, you follow through the process is another way to subscribe. But then if you want to cancel your subscription, right here under the subscriptions for your team, you're going to find your subscription package. So once you find your subscription package right here under this category, you're going to see an option for more icons, more options rather, more options. So go ahead and click on more options. Now, once you click on more options, you're going to see an option that says request cancellation. Now, all you have to do is to click request cancellation. And once you request cancellation, that's just going to be it. Your subscription is going to be canceled. All right, if Canva is going to ask you for the questions, you're going to be self-explanatory, not going to take time, but the process is as easy as even subscribing in the first place. So this is where you go to. So head over under this particular category, find your plan, click on more actions, and then click on request cancellation, and your subscription is going to be canceled. Now you can go over to Tire